Welcome back, guys, to another edition of What's Cooking with Dr. Phil. Today, we're cooking one of my favorite dishes to do on the Traeger. Today, we're going to be cooking a pork loin and sauerkraut with some apples. It's super simple. You get a little bit of sour, a little bit of sweet, and that nice salt on the pork. Ooh, you're going to love this. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get our pan ready. All right, so what I did is I took this wild brine raw organic sauerkraut, and I had 2 containers, but I'm just literally, I don't like put a specific amount in. I just put enough just to cover the entire bottom of the pan. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to chop up some apples and layer that on top of the sauerkraut. So we've got a bunch of apples here. So I'm going to be using probably about 4 of these Gala apples. I'm going to just chop them up and put them in the pan. All right, so I only chopped up 3 apples because I just wanted to get this layered on there. Just a little bit of the apple, almost covering all of the sauerkraut. And now what we're going to do, we're going to take our pork loin here, and I'm just going to season this with salt and pepper all around. Plop that right on top. I told you this one was really simple to do. All right. Now that the pork is seasoned, we're going to put it on top of the potatoes and the sauerkraut, and it's going to be going in the Traeger at 450 for 1 hour. All right, so now while the pork is going on the grill, I'm gonna get some veggies going inside. We're gonna have some onion, broccoli, asparagus, and some flat leaf kale. Now, you'll notice I'm not gonna use any oil tonight while I'm cooking. I'm actually gonna be using chicken stock, because part of the thing with this diet I'm on is you wanna try and cook without oil or sugar or starches or anything like that as much as possible. So we're just going to put a little chicken stock in there just to keep everything from sticking, and that should give it a nice little flavor too. All right, the pork's taking a bit longer than I thought, but the veggies are ready now. There's our veggies we're gonna eat. Got our mushrooms, asparagus, kale, broccoli. Yummy. And here's the finished product of the pork. Yummy.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that episode of What's Cooking with Dr. Phil. That pork loin roast is one of my favorite recipes to make on the Traeger. It's one of the first ones I did as well. So if you want to see more awesome videos cooking things like that, make sure you check back in next week. Have a wonderful day. Peace.